Okay. So viewers, this is guava leaf. You see, it's a rubber Yes. Yes, ma'am. Hello guys, thank you for joining us. So this is guava leaf. So we are going to use this to prepare guava leaf tea. Okay, so it have a lot of health benefits. It's good for malaria. You can use this to wash your hair. It make hair longer. So you can use this to prepare guava leaf oil. Okay, it's on my YouTube channel. So it's very good for people who want to lose weight. You can be using it, drinking it as tea. And it's good for infection, okay, bacteria. If you have interest, it's good for stomach. If you want to, if you have interest, just I want to show you how I prepare my own. So I'm going to plug it from the stick. You can even use the stick to wash mouth. We have dust, so I need to wash it very well. You see, the water is dirty. Watch how we use this to prepare guava leaf powder. It's on my YouTube channel. So this is my kettle. So I add drinking water inside the kettle. So I'm going to add the leaf inside it. So we are going to allow the guava leaf tea to boil very well because we need the nutrients inside the tea. Thank you so much for watching. So viewers, our tea is ready. The aroma is coming out. You see, so I'm going to turn off the fire. This is guava leaf tea. This is medicinal tea. Okay, it's very good. If you have malaria, diarrhea, you can take it, and as it is like this, you can use this to wash your hair. You will allow it to cool down before you use it for your hair. It make hair long, so it make it kill lice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. You have a lot of health benefits, so I want to allow you to cool down and drink it. Thank you for watching. So viewers, it has cooled down, so I'm going to take it. Evelyn, take now. Ẹbí ò fẹ́ mu. Ó ti gbóòórùn séǹtì. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Mwah. Jalo. Say bye. Bye bye. Mwah. Love.